Welcome to the Daily Dish. I'm Shay Pausa. Now in its 8th season, Divorce Court is one of the original reality shows, giving us a look at the drama firsthand as couples square off in court. Presiding on air since 2001, Judge Lynn Toler delivers advice and sees just about everything. I had a chance to meet with her in her home and asked what could couples do to avoid ending up in her court. She had a little bit of advice for making it work and some encouragement if it doesn't. Take a look.
I think that finances is a very hot button issue for a lot of couples, and not just in time of recession, but always. The first thing people ought to do is be very, very honest and make sure they understand in the very beginning what that other person makes and what their work habits are and what they want to spend money on. Everybody's kind of got a psychological approach to money. Money for me is security. I like to see zeros in the bank. Money for my husband is an opportunity to have opulence. We had a problem in the beginning because what I thought was a necessary expenditure and he thought was a necessary expenditure was quite different. So we had to understand what each of our relationship is with money. So that's what you've got to figure out to do, how much you have, and really put down a budget. Now, my husband and I put down a budget. We didn't stick to it, but at least we had an idea where we were headed and what's important to each one of us. If there's any kind of infidelity, financial or otherwise, you have an opportunity to come together, confess everything that you've done, put all of your nickels and dimes on the table, put all your bills on the table, and if you're willing to change and if you're willing to get outside help, either, marriage counseling, because financial infidelity is more about a trust issue than it is an economics issue. And it's about somebody's need that they're fulfilling with money that they're lying to you about. So you need to get to the underlying trust issue and then, work out the money. But the underlying trust issues, if you don't fix that, you're going to have the same problem all over again, even if you resolve the current financial difficulty. I think that you pick the set of problems that you want to solve. That's all life is you don't make the right decision or the wrong decision. You pick the set of problems that you want to resolve. You have to look at that infidelity for what it was. Was it during a period of long absence? Was it during a period of discontent in the home? Or was it just how he or she is? You have to figure out why it happened, what happened, and how honest that person is going to be on the other side of it, and each individual situation has to be taken on its own basis. You can't say once a cheater, always a cheater, because that's not necessarily true. People are very different, and you have to decide, can I give it another chance? And if he cheats again, or if she cheats again, will I survive? And the answer is always yes, you will survive.
You can find local listings of the show and links to Judge Toler's book, My Mother's Rules, A Practical Guide to Becoming an Emotional Genius at divorcecourt.com. And for other relationship tips, be sure to visit the Love channel right here on sheknows.com. Thanks for spending a few minutes with us today. I'm Shay Pausa. I'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching She Knows TV. Look for more of the Daily Dish at sheknows.com.